Hey, Fred here with a how-to video on our Lil Bukwrap invention, C3 size. Firstly, it's worthwhile explaining the uniqueness, or one of the uniquenesses about our Lil Bukwrap is having the horizontal flute direction and the hot melt, pressure sensitive peel and seal adhesive. That's 3 times stronger than the sort of stuff you get on a bubble mailer, and allows a manufacturer to overhang the white release paper over the glue so it's easy to peel off. It's FSC environmental accredited, it's completely plastic free. In fact, the material itself is fully recycled before we process it into these, and fully recyclable, and we only use eco-based, water-based inks. If I just open this book wrap as you would do in terms of how best to use it, you would then load that through like so. I always recommend bring the product right to the front edge of the book wrap before you then make it up. This is the only place that we actually put in crease lines to help guide it around the product inside. You never want to have crease lines in the book wrap itself, because that's where it wants to naturally fold in the perfect place. So now I'm just going to roll this over like that, holding tight here so it doesn't drift down. That's a top tip. Try and keep it as close as possible to this front edge, and then it will follow itself naturally around and you get a nice true clean edge. And I then take off the peel and seal. Want to guide that over to keep as good a fold as possible, as we recommend with all of our hot melt pressure sensitive peel and seal. Think of kneading bread. Use the base of your palm, so just run your palm, base of your palm across there, and you get a really nice good true seal there. Here's the intelligent sizing that I wanted to come on to. It's really about trying to optimize mail through the large letter tariff. There's no end of startups wanting to do a graze.com of getting the most of their unique product through large letter as possible. Its capacity of 5 centimeters is largely based on being able to hold up to 500 sheets of standard A4 paper. Cookbooks, recipe books, reference folders, because they generally all use A4 pagination or sheets inside, and then you've just got sometimes an extra centimetre, maybe 2 on the width, so that takes it to 230mm wide. Guinness Book of Records is the one to kind of go by as the maximum hardback reference book size. Our Lil Bukwraps up to and including C4 size are 5mm thick in terms of total corrugated. So doing the maths, it means you can get, through the 25mm large letter tariff, you can get items up to 20mm. There are some of our clients that are pushing the boundaries. I mean, this is 6 centimeters thick. You can probably see it's just fractionally over that last crease line, but it is possible, and you'll see that just about makes into the final package. So I hope this has given you a bit of background as to the history of the kind of invention. In the meantime, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and mail happy.